Hey, this is Ivory with MunchieGoddess.com, and today we're making air fryer cheeseburger wraps. For the ingredients, you'll need ground beef, American cheese, ketchup, mayo, flour tortillas, sliced pickles, melted butter, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. To a large pan on medium heat, add the ground beef and season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Cook until the ground beef is no longer pink. Start by warming the tortillas in the microwave, covered by a damp paper towel for 20 to 25 seconds. Next, to a tortilla, spread on some mayo, ketchup, and then add the pickles, cheese, and ground beef. And then roll it up like a burrito. Here's a closer look at another angle of me rolling up the wrap. Once done, brush each wrap with melted butter. Preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Once ready, add the wraps and cook for 5 minutes until golden brown. Once they're done, brush with additional melted butter, let cool, cut, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow me for more easy air fryer recipes.